So warm welcome students of this academy chapter the sentences. Okay, class 7. So already we have done this one, the sentence. Okay, and this also kinds of sentences. तो हमने क्या समझा था? What we have read here before here. So here is the sentence. What is the sentence? What is the word? What is the phrases? Phrases क्या होते हैं? Clause क्या होते हैं? Okay, and here kinds of sentences. So kind of sentences कितने हैं यहाँ पे? आपके 5 declarative और we can say assertive, questions or interrogative sentence, imperative sentence or commands, exclamatory sentence, optative sentences. Clear? So here we have done this page number 4. So today we have to start here page number 5 and then we have to continue this chapter completely. Okay, so let's see here. So we live here, we do not live here, we don't live here. He works well, he does not, he doesn't work well. So does not short form is doesn't, do not short form is don't. Okay, she took tea, she didn't take tea. Okay, short contracted abbreviated forms of negative special verbs, or we can say modal auxiliary verbs. Clear? So here am not, ain't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, shall not, shan't, will not, won't, cannot, can't, would, could not, couldn't. Okay, should not, shouldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't. Okay, must not, mustn't, need not, needn't, dare not, daren't, out not, out not, out, used not to, usen't to. Question or interrogative sentences. Observe the following sentences. Do you smoke? What is your name? Are you ill? Where do you live? It is very hot today, isn't it? It is not very hot today, is it? Okay, so these are question interrogative sentences, we can say. So each of these is a simple sentence. It asks a question or interrogates about something. So such sentences are called questions or interrogative sentences. तो इसी को क्या कहते हैं? Interrogative sentences. So an interrogative sentence is a simple sentence that asks a question about something. An interrogative sentence always ends किससे होते हैं? Question mark से. So kinds of interrogative sentence: yes, no, questions, short answer questions, or simple questions. WH type questions and tag questions. So yes, no questions or short answer questions. So questions that can have yes or no as the answer are called yes no questions, and the answers of such questions are very short, so they are called short answer questions also. We use a special verb to form a yes or no question sentence as. जैसे कि questions कैसे होते हैं? Short answers में होते हैं, yes no बोलने वाले, and also like WH questions. Like, am I wrong? Yes, you are wrong. No, you are not wrong. Are you a nurse? Yes, I am nurse. No, I am not nurse. Do you know me? Positive. Yes, I know you. Negative. I don't know you. Okay, did he help you? Yes, he helped me. Negative. No, he didn't help me. So change of assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. कैसे change करते हैं? We can change an assertive sentence. Assertive means like a positive sentence into interrogative by placing the special verb in the beginning of the sentences. So positive assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, the question one. Okay. So he is present. Is he present? I'm right. Am I right? You are a student. Are you a student? She was sleeping. Was he sleeping? They were playing. Were they playing? He has passed. Has he passed? I have a car. Have I a car? Have I a car? We walk fast. Do we walk fast? He takes tea. Does he take tea? They played football. Did they play football? I shall buy a book. Shall I buy a book? You will go there. Will you go there? She can swim. Can she swim? Hans might take tea. Might Hans take tea? They must obey me. Must they obey me? So for a negative, not should be added to the special verb. We can place not after the subject also. So is he not your brother? Is not he your brother? Isn't he your brother? Here, are not you going to school? Are you not going to school? Aren't you going to school? WH type questions. They begin with questions for what, when, why, where, who, whom, who's which, how many, how much, how old, how far, etc. These are WH type of question. Structure WH plus H we have plus subject plus verb plus object, then other. What is your name? Why are you weeping? Who are you? Which doll does she like? How old are you? How far is your village? When do you go to school? Where do you live? Whom do you want? How do you climb a tree? Whose book is this? How much money have you? Understood? So these are WH questions. Okay. So we use question word to get some information. There are no yes or no answer to these question as what's your name? Sonam. My name is Sonam. That is the answer. Where do you live? I live at Patna. How old are you? I'm 10, or we can say I'm 10 years old. In which class do you read? I read in 7th class. Okay, and I study in 7th class. Yes. Okay. Next is question tags or tail question. It's a common practice in conversation to make a statement and to ask the listener to confirm it. Helping verbs are used to make question tags. The subject of the questions tag is always a pronoun. A positive statement takes a negative tag and a negative statement a positive tag. Like I am busy, aren't you? मैं busy हूँ, है ना? I am not busy, am I? मैं बिजी नहीं हूँ, क्या मैं हूँ? The earth is round, isn't it? Earth round है, क्या है ना? You are a fool, aren't you? You live at Srinagar, don't you? You don't like it, do you? He can speak English, can't he? You won't forget, will you? Let us leave now, shall we? She isn't going alone, is she? Okay. Let's see imperative sentence like command sentence is called a imperative. कैसे होते commands like come here, go there. Okay, please help me. Always speak the truth. That is advice. Please help me. Request. Stand up on the bench. Order. Attack the enemy. Command. Okay. Do not beat about the bush. That is a prohibition. Prohibition. Okay. Beware of pickpockets. Warning. चोरों से सावधान. जेब कतरों से सावधान. Engage a tutor for your son. Suggestion. Let us go out for a walk. Proposal. Let us bask in the sun. Proposal. A sentence that expresses an advice, request, order, command, prohibition, warning, suggestion, or proposal is called an imperative sentence. And in an imperative sentence, the subject is understood, you which is left out. Thank you, I thank you. Welcome you, I welcome you. Imperative sentence ends in a full stop से ends होता है. Okay. We can also end an imperative sentence with the exclamation mark. Look at there, this is the exclamation mark. Okay, this is a break. The bracket में ना जो उसे कहते हैं exclamation mark. If the audience is very firm. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence क्या होते हैं? Are those which express, जो express करते हैं strong को, sudden feelings को, emotions को, joy, wonder, anger, sorrow, contempt, etc. को क्या करते हैं? Represent करते हैं. Okay. Such a sentence usually begins with how or what and ends in an introduction like how wise Puspender is, wonder, what charming looks, surprise, hooray, my brother has stood first, joy, else I am undone. Okay, else, alas, I am undone, sorrow, shut up, you are rich, anger, bravo, you have won the war, praise, splendid, you have won the match, praise. What a lovely doll! It's surprise! Hooray! I have passed! Joy! Fie! How dirty your room! Contempt! Last I have felt sorrow. This how what a dirty fellow! Contempt! Hello! How goes the world? Greeting! So an exclamatory sentence ends in an exclamation mark. Change of assertive sentence into an exclamatory sentence. We can change an assertive sentence into an exclamatory by using how or what in the beginning of the sentences. So how is followed by an adjective, what is followed by a noun. Assertive sentence, the weather is very fine. That is a lovely doll. You are a great fool. He looks very sad. Exclamatory sentence. How fine the weather is. How lovely that doll is. What a fool you are. How sad he looks. तो exclamatory sentence में क्या होता है? Emotions हो रहे हैं. Sadness हो रही है. Okay. Assertive sentence आपके कैसे होते हैं? Simple sentences like this. Assertive sentence like a positive sentence. It is joyful in place, hooray and bravo, and it is said in place of last to make assertive sentence. Exclamative sentence, hooray, we have won the match. Bravo, well done. Us, he died so young. Assertive, it is joyful that we have won the match. It is joyful that you have done well. It is said that he died so young. If an exclamative sentence begins with O, that if only would that we wish an assertive sentence. Exclamatory, oh that I were a bird. Assertive, I wish I were a bird. Oh, that I were safe at home. I wish I were safe at home. Would that I were a fairy. I wish I were a fairy. If I were a millionaire, I wish I were a millionaire. Okay. The sentence following the exclamation word always starts with a small letter, except when it starts with the proper noun or I. Optative sentence. What is the optative sentence? Optative sentence is a simple sentence that states a blessing, a wish, or boon or a curse. That is a optative sentence. जो किसे blessing वजह से start होते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Optative sentence. May you live long, blessing. May God bless you, blessing. May you win a scholarship, wish. Would that I were a fairy, wish. Oh, that I were a prince, wish. Oh, that I were a queen, wish. If only I could win the first prize, wish. Oh, for a glass of water, desire. Okay, may that be as you wish it be, boon. May God's curse befall you, curse. Okay, each of these is a simple sentences that states a blessing, a wish, a boon, or a curse. Such sentences are called optative sentences, and optative sentence always ends in exclamation mark. Okay, and some grammarians include optative sentence, exclamative sentences because of the mark of exclamation. Change of optative sentence into assertive कैसे change करेंगे optative को assertive में? If I could win the first prize, so I strongly desire to win the first prize. Okay. Oh, for a cup of tea, I long for a cup of tea. Let's see. Okay, it's the last page. I hope you understood this chapter properly. Okay, class 7. Okay, so what is your assignment? You have to repetition this chapter. Okay, so meet soon all of you. Okay, bye everyone.